Your nervous system is either working for you or working against you every single day. The frightening part is most people never realize their nervous system is the actual reason they feel stuck. Most people assume feeling stuck is a mindset problem. What most people experience as laziness is often not a character flaw. It is a dysregulated nervous system. Your nervous system is your body's command center. It operates through two main states, fight or flight and rest and digest. A healthy nervous system moves fluidly between these two states. Their nervous system never fully gets to recover. Not full panic, just never truly calm. Focus feels impossible. Motivation disappears. Small problems feel overwhelming. That is not weakness. That is biology. Reset habit 1. Stop starting your day in fight or flight. Phone in hand within seconds. Notifications, news, messages, social media. Your cortisol levels get amplified before you've had a single calm moment. Protect the first 20 minutes of your morning. Give your nervous system time to wake up gently before the world pulls at it. Stress is a biological cycle that needs to be completed physically. You sit in traffic, tense and frustrated. The stress activates, but never releases. Movement is how your body was designed to complete the stress cycle. A 20-minute walk signals to your nervous system that the threat has passed. Reset habit 2. Use your breath to shift your state. Your breath is the only part of your autonomic nervous system you can consciously control. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. That directly communicates safety to your brain. Reset habit 3. Reduce chronic low-grade stimulation. Television noise, music, podcasts, phone checked every few minutes. Your nervous system processes all of it. Your nervous system processes all of it, even when you don't consciously notice. Deliberately build moments of low stimulation into your day. Reset habit 4. Sleep as active nervous system repair. During deep sleep, stress hormones drop, emotional memories get processed, neural pathways restored. The prefrontal cortex becomes less active after poor sleep. Reset habit 5. Build safety through small kept promises. When you repeatedly tell yourself you will do something and don't, your nervous system registers instability. Small kept promises accumulate into deep nervous system trust. Reset habit 6. Stop fighting your emotions. Process them. Suppressed emotions stay stored in the body as tension, physical tightness, lingering anxiety. Acknowledging emotions rather than avoiding them reduces their intensity faster. Simply saying, "I notice I feel anxious right now," is the beginning of regulation. Reset habit 7. Use your breath, movement, and sleep as your daily reset stack. Your nervous system is not broken. It is trained. Not through force, through consistent signals of safety sent through daily habits. The mental fog begins to lift. Emotional reactions soften. Focus returns. You stop feeling like you are constantly running on empty. Because you are no longer fighting your own biology. You are finally working with it. Your relationships improve. Your work improves. Your ability to pursue goals improves. Subscribe Psytactix for more videos.